a baby. She took good care of me. Amen? Puro subo. One night, as I lay down sleeping, my sister by my side, I hear a voice from heaven telling my mother died. Subo, no? And when I woke up in the morning, I find my dream comes true. For the angel took my mother into the sky so blue. Tapos na, may narration na dira. Pagkatapusan ng verse, naghambal. So children, obey your mother. Obey them faithfully. For if you lose your mother, you lost the best of all. Di ba lang? Don't forget your parents. Number 3, the last.